Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to yet another video. This video is going to be all about a product review. I'm going to be reviewing a soap that I picked up, tried out. This is a soap, by the way. This is a soap. It's all over YouTube. They call it, some people call it egg soap, some people call it egg white, some people call it collagen, whatever the name, I don't know, whatever name they choose to call it. That's not really what I'm concerned about today. But I picked up this baby, I used it, I tried it on my skin, and I've got some things to tell you about. I just chose to share it out with anybody who is interested to know. So if you will know what I feel about this soap, then make sure you just sit down, grab a cup of tea or popcorn, relax, and watch this video right up to the end. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Meanwhile, before we dive right into the video, if you are new here, welcome to my space. Yes, here I do skincare videos. If you are interested in taking care of your skin and you're looking for that place where you can get product reviews, tips, DIYs, this is the right place to be. Quickly click on the subscription button and boom, you are already a part of the family. You start glowing the very moment you join this family. So sit back and enjoy the video. Now, back to this soap. This is the soap. This is the soap. Some people call it the egg white soap. Some people call it the egg soap. Some people call it whatever. Some people call it collagen soap. I guess people are trying to call it egg soap because of its oval shape. If you look at it, the soap has an oval shape. But I've gathered some information about this soap and it says it is a collagen soap. It is meant to fight wrinkles. It's meant to fight fine lines. It is meant to fight premature aging. It helps with pimples, like they say. It helps with jack spot. Like, there are just so many claims about this product, and in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be telling you all what I feel about this soap. Yes. Now, I got this soap. I'm sorry to let you know that I don't even know where they made this soap. I don't know where it was produced. Sometimes I'll come here and I'll tell you, this is a product I want to review. This product is made in China. This product is made in Thailand, for example. This product is made in New York. I don't know where this soap was made from. Please, if you are my subscriber, if you're my viewer, whichever one you find yourself, whichever position you find yourself in, if you've used this soap, please share in the comment section. Let's know where this soap was made. Like, give us your experience, your impressions about this soap, because I'm just going to be sharing mine the way it is. So this soap, I don't know where it was made. When I got this soap, the packaging was looking somehow. This is one of the products I've got that the packaging just looks crazy to me. It appeared so cheap. The packaging was so cheap and it was not informative enough. That's already a disclaimer for me, because I love to use products. I love to see ingredients that I use in making a product even before I use the product. I love to see some some information given about a product on the packaging, so that way it motivates me, it keeps me excited about what I'm going to be achieving with this product. Now, this one it's not the case with this soap. This soap, I didn't see anything. They were writing in some kind of language. I don't know if it was Chinese or it was which language, or it was an Asian language. I'm sorry, I really cannot explain where this soap was made. I don't know the ingredients that were used in making this soap. Now, for those who call it collagen soap, I don't know where they got their information from. But it could also be that I got the fake. It could be that I got the fake. Please, if you feel I got the fake, please leave comments below. Let me know if I got the fake and how to be able to trace the original, because mine, I don't really know what the soap is made of. Okay, when I saw when I looked at the packaging and it was looking crazy, no ingredient list, no, I don't know, I went ahead to use the soap. Yes, I did. It's because it's my money. I spent my money to get this dude or this baby, and so I had to use it on my skin, because at the end of the day, whether the place of production is written on the packaging or not, whether the ingredients is written on the packaging or not, at the end of the day, if it's working, it's working. Even though it's always good to know where a product is made, what is in the product, what the ingredient, the contents, like the ingredients in this product, so as to know if you are allergic to any of the ingredients or not. You understand my point? But when I didn't see all those things, I went ahead to use this soap. Now, I opened the soap. I'm going to see if I'll see pictures of the soap when I just got it. I'll try to insert it somewhere on the screen to show you guys how it actually came, the packaging it actually came in. So when I tore off the thin plastic that sealed the soap, that they used to seal the soap, I washed my face. First of all, I smelled it. For the smell, it's got an amazing fragrance, I would say. It has a kind of, in my opinion, I don't know if I'm very good at describing fragrances, but it's got some kind of citrus fragrance. Like, it's got some citrus fragrance in it, and I was excited about using it. So, by the way, why did I even get the soap? I got the soap because I'm breaking out lately, and of course, you know, I'm all about anti-aging. So because they said it contains collagen, I decided to pick it up. Plus the fact that I'm breaking out and I wanted to clear some pimples or some scars. I've been stressing lately and it's causing me some breakouts. So I was excited to use the product in any case. I applied it. I washed my face, like I applied some water on my face, like damp my face with some water. And then I used the soap to rub my face. I rubbed it on my face, let it sit for like a minute or two, and then I washed it off. Immediately I washed off my face, I felt like my face was drying. You know, sometimes there's some of these soaps that when you buy, you apply on your face, you wash off your face, you feel like your face is moisturized, you feel like your face is supple, but that was not the case with this soap. My face was feeling dry, like from the moment I washed off the soap. My face felt dry, but I didn't really bother. I just went ahead with my serum and moisturizer, and I used it for a day, I used it for 2 days, I used it the third day. But from the second day evening, I already noticed I was getting some red things on my face. Like pimples were beginning to show up, new pimples were coming out on my face. And they were looking so red, like red, tiny, but red. Red, it was looking like an allergy. It was looking like, I don't know, you know when white people have sunburn, you know how sometimes they look red? That's how it was looking like, but it was in the form of a bump, like a pimple. So I noticed it. I used it again the next day, and then the thing kept on coming out. I left it. I stopped using the soap for like 2 days, and then the pimple was like reducing. The red bump was reducing in size. So I was like, wow, looks like my skin is reacting to this soap. Mind you, I don't even know the ingredients that are in this soap. I was just trying it. I said, it looks like my skin is reacting to this soap. So I said, okay, for me to be sure, so I can give an honest review, I'm going to try it again one more time. So I gave my skin a break, and then I came back to the soap after about a week. I used it again, I got the same reaction. So I concluded that this soap is not for me. And mind you, I'm sensitive on the face. In case you are wondering, my face is sensitive. My skin is dry. So I was like, no, the soap is not for me. So what am I saying here? It's my personal experience with the soap. Am I saying the soap is bad? No. Am I going to be purchasing the soap again? Definitely no. Because first of all, it didn't work on my skin, and secondly, it's frustrating using a product that you don't know the ingredients. I don't know what they used. I don't know if they use kojic acid. I don't know if they use hydroquinone. I don't know if they use steroids. I don't know if they use alpha-butene. I don't know what they use in making this soap. So I'm not going to be, if not for anything, for the fact that I don't even know the list of ingredients, I'm not going to be using it, honestly. Secondly, it didn't work on my skin. It gave me bumps. Like, I don't know why English is troubling me today. It gave me bumps on the face, red bumps on the face, and it was insane. So I immediately discontinued it. When I used it for the second time and I had the same reaction, I discontinued the soap. The soap might not be bad, but it didn't just work for me. So in case you have a sensitive face and you're thinking of using the soap, I don't know, you can go ahead and try and let me know. And I'm also giving it a benefit of doubt that maybe I got the fake. Reason for the scrappy packaging, reason for the scrappy information on the package. Like, everything was just looking horrible, but I had to use it because it was my money and I paid for it. So this is it once more, what some people call the egg soap, the egg white soap, the collagen soap. I have tried it, and boom, I'm not going to be using this thing again. I'm definitely going to give it to my baby girl, my 18-year girl at home, if she can try it. I don't know. If she likes it, fine. But for me, it didn't just work for me. But I'm not saying it's a bad soap. It didn't just work for me. So that will be it for this video. If you watch this video right up to this end, you are the main deal. Thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends. And give this video a huge thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Turn on your notification bell for notifications when I upload new videos. I love you all so much. Take care of your skin. Stay beautiful, stay glowing, and you know what, drink lots of water and mind your business. Bye. I'll be seeing you in my next video.